In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install and use custom fonts in Figma. Start by downloading the font you want to use. Most fonts come as TTF or OTF files and can be downloaded from trusted font websites. Once the font is downloaded, install it on your computer. On Windows, right-click the font file and select Install. On Mac, double-click the file and click Install Font. After installing the font, restart Figma if it's already open. This helps Figma detect the newly installed font. If you're using the Figma desktop app, the font should now appear automatically in the font drop-down menu. Create a text layer and search for your font to start using it. If you're using Figma in a web browser, you'll need the Figma Font Helper installed on your computer. Download and install it from Figma's Downloads page. Then make sure it's running in the background. Once the Font Helper is active, refresh your browser tab. Your installed fonts should now be available in Figma. To confirm everything is working, select a text layer and apply your new font. If the text updates correctly, the installation was successful. If the font doesn't appear, try restarting Figma, refreshing your browser, or reinstalling the font on your system. And that's it. You've successfully added custom fonts to Figma and can now use them in your designs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.